Welcome to Band Potato Day 7 of 30 Days of Band. Let's get started. And we are going to be doing Merrily We Roll Along today. Look up your positions in your fingering chart and then practice going through it, the motions before you play. We're going to play once with a metronome and then without, and then I'll play the harmony. 1, 2. Once without, 2. 1, 2. Now the harmony, you play the melody. 1, 2. Thanks for watching Day 7, Merrily We Roll Along for Trombone. Make sure you give it a click thumbs up if it helped you. And if you're having any troubles, write to Band Potato Instagram for requests and assistance. Thanks.